Everyone wants to build AI fast, but not everybody wants to take the time to build AI securely. In the last episode, we looked at how AI systems fail through the OWASP Top 10 vulnerabilities for large language models. These included things such as prompt injection, sensitive data exposure, model abuse, and many others. Those are technical vulnerabilities, but here's the bigger question. How do organizations prevent those failures at scale? Today we're going to step back from looking at technical exploits and look at the framework designed to manage AI risk systematically. That is, we will be looking at the NIST AI Risk Management Framework, otherwise known as AI RMF. What is AI RMF? Well, it was released in 2023 as AI RMF 1.0. This is voluntary guidance from NIST, that is the National Institute of Standards and Technology, that is responsible for a lot of cybersecurity standards we see in industry. It helps organizations manage risk across the entire AI lifecycle. It applies whether you build AI, buy AI, or integrate AI into existing systems. And here's the key. It's not a checklist. It does not tell you what to build. It tells you how to think about risk while you build. This is a management model, not a compliance worksheet. So this framework is built around 4 functions. Number 1 is govern. That is, how do we establish oversight, accountability, and balance risk culture. Number 2 is map. That is, how do we understand the context, the stakeholders involved, the intended use of the AI, and the potential harms of the AI. Next, we have measure. How do we evaluate performance of the AI? How do we measure the bias, the security, and the robustness? And then lastly, manage. How do we mitigate these risks and continuously improve? Think of it this way. Know your AI, test your AI, and stay in control of your AI. So why should security professionals care about this? It's because these OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities we talked about don't exist in a vacuum. Those vulnerabilities are systems. The NIST AI RMF is about building systems and processes that reduce the likelihood those failures happen in the first place. Model risk is system risk, and system risk is organizational risk. Things such as bias, privacy leaks, or loss of trust, those aren't just bugs, they're governance failures. Security controls without governance becomes reactive. Governance without security becomes theoretical. The AI RMF is where those two meet. Now, specifically, this matters to you now because if you work with federal agencies, defense organizations, regulated industries, you will be asked, how are you aligned to NIST? Vendors are being evaluated on this. Auditors are asking about this. Procurement teams are looking for maturity signals. If you cannot answer that question clearly, your AI program looks immature. Hope you enjoyed this change of episode. Instead of just looking at a technical aspect, looking at it from a management point of view. Please like and subscribe.